Hey, welcome back. We're working on another little trailer today. The ramp broke off. That side is fine, this side's broken. This needs to be bent up, weld around, weld that seam up. And then the hardware that's on the skate, I'll show you in a little bit. It's all bent and worn out, so I got some new grade 8 hardware to put in there so that it won't bend as much and it'll last a lot longer. So anyways, I'm gonna grab a crescent wrench, we'll bend this back up to where it's square. We'll clean it up with a wire wheel, we'll clean the gate up with a wire wheel, and then I'll use this gantry chain hoist right here to lift that gate up and put it right where I want it. Put the pin in that side that's not broken, and then weld this all back together. So it should be a really quick, short video. So here's the hardware. You can see what kind of shape it's in. So we'll be replacing that. That's just grade 3. If there's no marks on the back, it's grade 3. This right here is grade 8. If you look at the back, you can see the 6 hash marks. So you'd be add 2 to the 6. I don't know who designed that system, that's how it works. So that's grade 8 hardware right there. Also no threads here, so it'll be a lot tighter fitting. That's what that looks like. Let's see, some lighting fixed up. So I'm going to show you the other one close up. This has to get beat around to get shaped right again. So let's go look at the other one real quick. So that's the other side. So this one should look like that. But if you line them up, it's all bent and stuff. So I'm going to put that on the vise, beat it around with hammer a little bit, get it shaped a little bit more correctly, and then weld it back on. So I've cleaned it up, beat it with a hammer. I had to grind that down a little bit, but it fits back in now. So I'm going to clean the paint off with a wire wheel on that, and then we'll get the stick welder out and weld her up. Okay, so here it is. I welded it up with 1/8 inch 6011. Some people can do wicked beautiful 6011 welds. I'm not some people, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It has twice as much weld on it now than it did when it broke off. I'm gonna let it cool off for a minute and then wipe it down with a rag, prime it, paint it, and then hook the gate on and we'll be done. Quick hour and a half, including picking up the trailer. That's what she looks like.